Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. And look at this. It's chips, guys. Yummy. Look at the birds. Sure. Here yet? Look at that chip. We got actually a pretty good amount of stuff. Drinks. I got Pepsi. You can see it. Huh? It's actually a whole thing around doing. Is that like ice or something? Whoa. Look at this stuff. Look at the water. Oh, Pepsi machine. I would like some ice because it's a hot day. So it's locked. Got some Pepsi here. Live bait, I guess. Bait. Boat supplies. A boat.
How does it freeze up that much?
Brings pop over. Oh my goodness.
What? Literally, the thing got up to here. It was like I dropped it and it got up to here. And I was like,
I'm sitting down in the sun. Oh.
show me.
Now we're sitting in the shade. Ooh.
I ain't been there in a long time.
Bye. I'm kidding, I'm not leaving. Of course. We're still waiting for our food. Finally food! Look at that cheeseburger, guys.
Mine is bricked. Dude, look at this.
I put lots of ketchup on them.
Look at this.
Cheeseburger! Good, good. These are super good. Good.
I wish I could have these.
I'll be back when we eat them out. Okay, I'm done with my cheeseburger. Almost. I'll see you when we're done. Okay, I'm done eating my cheeseburger, but I need to drink my drink.
I know, right?
There's a bee around us all the time. I need to drink my drink.
I'm done. A bee is
Okay, I'm done drinking my pop.
$50.
I'm done drinking my pop.
Did I bring
Okay, we're back in the car. So we're going to another place to eat, I guess, because that place wasn't enough, I guess. So, bye. Not bye, because we're just going. Stop, Mom! Okay, yeah. We'll see you. So guys, this will be the end of the video, so bye.